Want to save time by automating your bills or invoices? Here's how to create recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online for 2025. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the settings icon in the top right corner. Then choose Recurring Transactions. Click New to start a new template. Under Transaction Type, pick what you want to automate, like invoice, expense, or bill, and hit OK. Fill in all the transaction details as usual. Next, choose your type, scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. Set how often you want it to repeat, daily, weekly, or monthly, and choose the start date. Once done, click Save Template. And that's it. QuickBooks will now handle your recurring transactions automatically, perfect for consistent payments or billing in 2025.